Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I just wanted to share you a design that I've been knitting. I designed it myself. It's just my regular top-down knits, but the stitch, I did a tutorial on month of September 2022, and I will put the link, I will link it, I'll pin it for you guys to see. And I've been working on with different yarn colors. So I started with the pink, and then I changed it to gray, and now I change it to a darker pink. And then for the sleeves, I'm just gonna knit them straight. I'm not gonna do this effect on it. And I will give more details on my live stream, which is 27th of October. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you how it looks like so far. I'm going to use up all the yarn that I have, and I have another light gray. I'm going to do the sleeves like light pastel. These are mostly Angora rabbit yarn when you dye them. Sorry, the traffic. When you dye them, they always turn out pastel-y color. So the colors that I'm knitting are, unfortunately, they're not dark, they're pastel, but they give you this beautiful marshmallow effect, which is nice and soft. It's hand-spun Angora rabbit yarn. Okay, and I'm going to put buttons on these. So here are the markers that I put down. I made the buttonholes, so it's a crew neck. It's round, it's not a v-neck, because you usually, for these kind of cardigans, it works with crew neck. Yeah, this is all I can show, but I'm going to do a show, and I will post this on my Instagram so you guys can look at it. And I hope you enjoyed it. So just to update that I am designing this for the month of October 2022. Yeah, and I had this yarn in my stash for over a decade. I said to myself, it's time to use it up and exchange it to cash. Money, 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 money. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Let me see if I can put this over here, and then you guys can see with a different angle. Just windy here. It is showing the fall effect. So far